Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys exactly how I freeze my herbs from my garden this summer so it can last me through the winters. Today I'm using rosemary, but you can use thyme, sage, or whatever herb that you are wanting to freeze. So again, I'm using rosemary and I have an ice tray that I'll be using, and you're going to be needing some oil. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. Let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to start you want to make sure you wash your herbs properly. So I'm going to take each stems and just pull the good part out of it as much as you can. This is a great way to save your herbs after Thanksgiving or something, because we usually buy a lot of herbs over the holidays and they tend to go bad in our fridge because we just don't do as big of cooking after the holidays. So this is a great way to save yours. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram and go follow me on Twitter and go like my Facebook page, please, and go follow me. Come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave all the link down in the description box for you guys. And I made a really good Hasselback potato using this herb. So if you haven't checked out the video, please go ahead and check out that video. And also I do have a Thanksgiving turkey and roasted chicken up on this channel if you need some ideas for the Thanksgiving. So I'm doing is just pulling all back while I'm chit-chatting with you guys. And also guys, I'm not sure why our videos is not getting viewed as much on YouTube nowadays, but please, if you haven't, please hit that notification bell so that way you guys can get notified each time I post a video so you don't feel left out. Some of you are probably thinking that I haven't been posting, but I still post every Sundays and for a month. As I mentioned in most of my videos now, I will be posting twice for a month. And guys, please go check out my Creole channel. I will leave the link for the channel down in the description box as well. Alright. I'm going to save these just to make some roasted chicken with. But as you can see, I remove most of the stems. Now I'm left with the herb. You want to go ahead and give it a rough chop with a sharp knife. Watch your fingers, of course. Make sure you fold your fingers in. Just chop them off as good as you can. Gather them together. And you can always use this, pull it out of the freezer. You can do it to put on top of your chicken, to put inside of your turkey, or whatever you want to use it for. Just rough chop them. Nothing too exciting. You can make a nice herb butter using these as well. I'm not a professional chopper, but this is pretty good. So now you want to go ahead and take some herbs and fill up your these cups, just like this. Put as much as you can in them. Like I said, this is super easy, but it's nice to do these videos for you guys because some people do have a lot of herbs in their fridge that's just sitting there and being wasted, and that's money, you know, used to buy them. So just like this, This one have a little too much, just like this. And now you want to take your oil and just pour it on top. You can use olive oil, any type of oil that you want to use. You want to just make sure that it covers the herb so that when it freezes up, you can just pull it out. I have a couple that I did because I had a lot of rosemary in my garden this year. So as you can see, that oil just settled right on the bottom, so it will freeze nicely for me. So this is ready to go in my freezer, but I'll show you guys exactly what they look like. These are ones that I did. See, it still look fresh, and these been in my freezer for a good 3 weeks now. You can see that. But hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please again, you guys, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.